Persistent organic pollutants, or POPs, can accumulate for long periods of time in our environment, often to levels which can have negative health effects in humans and animals. Some POPs have been listed under the Stockholm Convention, an international treaty designed to eliminate POPs. The EPA Research Project Elevate was a collaborative research project between NUI Galway and the University of Birmingham. In Elevate, we measured human exposure to two groups of POPs: brominated flame retardants, or BFRs, and perfluoroalkyl substances, or PFASs. We completed a human exposure assessment for these chemicals to make comparisons with guidelines developed by the European Food Safety Authority, or EFSA, and also the revised EU Drinking Water Directive. BFRs have been used widely to flame-proof consumer goods. PFASs and related chemicals have been used to impart stain or water repellents in consumer goods. In Elevate, we collected samples of air, dust and drinking water from a sample of Irish homes, cars, schools and offices, and analysed them for BFRs and PFASs. We also measured these chemicals in samples of human milk. So what does Elevate tell us about exposure to POPs in Ireland? When comparing our results to a previous Irish study conducted in 2011, concentrations of some chemicals have reduced, suggesting a positive impact of legislative restrictions and policy on human exposure. We detected newer flame retardant chemicals not present in 2011, which may imply greater use of these chemicals, perhaps as replacements for other banned POPs. Irish population exposure to PFASs via non-dietary sources is less than the EFSA Provisional Tolerable Weekly Intake Value, or TWI, and concentrations in Irish human milk do not indicate a health concern for nursing infants. However, adult exposures to PFASs for some individuals may approach the EFSA TWI. We therefore recommend a detailed dietary exposure study for PFASs. If you'd like to learn more about POPs and the Elevate project, I welcome you to read our project report on the EPA website and also to visit our project website at NUI Galway.